Hello traders, Emmanuel here. Welcome to EME Forex YouTube educational channel. So in today's video, we're going to be looking at an insane correlation between gold, DXY, and other dollar crosses. Yeah, we're going to be doing an analysis to also cross-reference and see potential opportunities before the market open. We just had NFP the previous week, and we're looking at for potential buy positions ahead of this trading week we're moving into. So if you're new to the YouTube channel, guys, do want to subscribe, turn on notifications so that you'll be in the loop of updates like this, and you also want to stay tuned to the end of this video so that we can see how this analysis which we're looking to take is going to pan out before the market open. So let's get down to the video. All right, so guys, let's jump right into trading view. Okay, so we had the previous price action on DXY as a strong, you know, trend to the upside. We've been buying aggressively to the upside for quite some time now. You can see how aggressive we've been seeing these buys, and so far we just got the first bearish candle closure for the week in a very long time. And now we're looking at this bearish closure around this structural level, which is a high value area. This is like one of those value areas, but price traded its way all the way up. So we're looking at price hanging around this level, and potentially this could be a signal for sell off on dollar crosses. So with the build up we have on DXY, that's like a potential hint from the market that okay, we're likely going to see droppings on dollar related pairs, which brings me to gold, which is like the major focus for our analysis before we move on to other pairs. So gold has been um selling off to the downside, and we closed previous week around this level, which we had price tapping into this level and rejecting during the NFP. So currently you can see I have my alerts on, my alerts are set, and I want to catch these trades once we start seeing price turn into the upside. So looking at this, previously we had this level holding up price for a bit before we traded all the way to the upside, and now we've tapped back into this level, and this is like a very sensitive level. Okay, so if I drop down to a daily chart, you can see that we're getting um bullish presence stepping into the market. Here you can see how sellers has been shrinked out from this gold market, and we're currently like looking at potential buy to the upside. So basically what we'll be looking at now is a reversal that will continue to go up. We are within that region where the reversal is almost complete based off this price action here. What we're looking out for, we're looking out for you know potential buying opportunities. Now you can see how aggressive this buy we got from this level is. So you can see having my alert around this level so that by the time we break out from this level, a retest of this level will be a decent one for us to start jumping on buys on this here. However, on the other hand, I have my alert on this level as well, which could be a potential tap into this region. This level, you can see how this level has been solid. It's a level which holds lots of significance. Some people choose to call this their liquidity level, whichever time you choose to use. However, just have this level as the major bone of contention before we start seeing a good buy opportunity to the upside. So looking at this here, we'll be targeting this as our first target to offload our buy positions once the confirmation for this buy comes in here. We'll be looking at to get out from our entry, our trade which we've taken around this level. Why? Because if you look at the daily chart is pointing towards the upside, and we could potentially start getting that push all the way to that level. Now this level is 186.8 level, 800 level. That's where we'll be targeting. So moving on from this, now let's take a look at other pairs that are lining up nicely with gold as well, which we have GBPUSD here. So GBPUSD, same similar outlook we're having here. We've been selling off. We've been trending to the downside for weeks now, and this previous week where we had NFP, we closed in this fashion. So this is like a very solid buy position that is building up nicely. So target wise, we'll be looking at this 1.2400 level as our first take profit target once these buys start kicking in, and we'll want to reassess the market and see if we're going to like continue to buy or not. So reference wise, if you look at this, you can see we had 3 days consecutive buy positions on this. Market has been trying to push all the way up. So if we drop down all the way to the 1 hour chart here, you can see that we are currently uh trading around this level now. This is where price is currently um holding off from. So what we want to look at now is similar stuff we identified on gold, which is like a break above a retest for us to start getting on that buy position. So if we look at the peep distance from where we are to what we're looking at, that's about 74 peep. So it's not so far off. And GBP is a pair that can give us that single move in a day. So we're looking at a short-term move for now, and we'll assess if we start seeing like the high time frame. It's solid for us to start possibly stacking on that position for a trend to the upside. So lastly, we're having Euro USD. So Euro USD is also giving us similar price action. So if we look at this is Euro USD, this is GBPUSD, and this is gold as well. You can see that they are all giving us similar price action here. But that is to tell you that there's a strong, correlation between these 3 pairs. They are all tied to dollar, and they're giving us similar trade opportunity. So Euro USD, if we take a look at the daily chart, on the daily chart here, Euro USD is giving us a much solid rejection of this level here, and the highs we're targeting is these levels here. And by the time we look at the 1 hour chart, if we look at the 1 hour chart, we see that this buy position was actually very aggressive. This was the price action we got from NFP. After NFP, we started getting this aggressive push in price to the upside. So guys, these are trades which you want to have on your watch list ahead of the market open, and want to trade aggressively once this confirmation of our buys is showing up on our chart. So Euro USD is also trying to break above this level here, which when we do get that confirmation, a break, if we get a retest here, we want to take these buys all the way to this high here, and of course take our profit and reassess and see if we can still step in the market. So guys, I'll be putting up in another video which will be like a recap for trades we took on our Telegram community. We do take high probability trades, and we don't always want to take unnecessary trades. We take high probability trades. We'll stay off the market if those trades are not present, and if they're present, we jump on those trades. So um do well to join our Telegram community as well. The link will be on this video description. We'll see you guys on the next one. Cheers. Keep it simple.